Is the length of a side of equilateral triangle E less than the length of a side of a square? So we have a equilateral triangle, so E, and we have also square, and which side is F? F, and F. Okay, and so is E is less than F. We are looking for this, so this is yes no question. Statement 1. The perimeter of E and perimeter of F are equal. So let's say 3E, they are equal, and 4F, the perimeter of square is 4F. That means E is bigger than F, so we can give the answer. So for this case, the answer is no, definitely, but we can give an answer. So statement 2, so this is enough. The ratio of the height of the triangle, so height of the triangle, which will be for equilateral triangle, the height always E root 3 over 2, because height is bisecting the side, which is E over 2, and this is 60, and also bisecting the angle, so 30, 60, and 90 degrees, and opposite of the 30 degree, the side is E over 2, and opposite of the 60 is root 3 times E over 2, so E root 3 over 2, height is E root 3 over 2, the ratio of the height E root 3 over 2 of a triangle to the diagonal. So diagonal of the square is F root 2, the ratio of F root 2 equals 2 root 3 over 3 root 2. Okay, so this cancels out, that means E over F equals, this 2 goes down as a denominator, and we can remove this on the right hand side as multiplication, so 4 over 3. So we can give answer for this case. E is again greater than F. So this is, if you know this is also enough. That means each statement alone is sufficient.